get to making with jive, boy, sunshine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you holler, yes.
1, 2, 3.
Alright everyone, so that was clearly something a little different to the regular case review that I normally put out. So basically what happened was my 4790K wasn't really holding up anymore in editing, so I thought, hey, why not upgrade and make a cool montage out of it? So I guess if you guys enjoyed that, drop us a like. If you want to see more content like this, give us a comment, and hey, if you want to subscribe, that'd be cool. I'm nearly at 100, so anyway, see you guys in the next one.